Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Zooz Z-Wave switches with SmartThings, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your SmartThings hub is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, gather all the necessary tools for installation, which typically include a screwdriver, wire connectors, and the Zooz Z-Wave switch. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker to ensure a safe installation environment. Remove the existing switch from the wall by unscrewing it from the wall plate. Disconnect the wires from the old switch, taking note of how they are connected. Prepare the Zooz Z-Wave switch by verifying that it is compatible with your existing wiring. Connect the wires from the wall to the Zooz switch according to the wiring diagram included in the package. Secure the connections using wire connectors to ensure they are tight and safe. Carefully tuck the wires back into the electrical box and attach the switch to the wall with screws. Replace the wall plate to conceal the switch. Once the physical installation is complete, turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. In the app, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Scan Nearby to search for new Z-Wave devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your Zooz switch into pairing mode. Once the switch is detected, assign it a name and location in the app for easy identification. After the configuration is complete, test the switch by toggling it from the SmartThings app to ensure it is functioning properly. Now you can integrate the Zooz switch into your SmartThings routines or automations as needed. Make sure to regularly check for firmware updates in the SmartThings app to keep your devices running smoothly. You have successfully configured your Zooz Z-Wave switch with SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.